Vitamin A Professional Power Chemical Peel. You must be a licensed professional to do this treatment. Please seek continuing education before performing chemical peels. Just a quick disclaimer, I do not work for Glymed Plus. I simply enjoy using their products. All right, you guys, so welcome back again. Today we are going to be doing the Vitamin A Professional Power Peel. It contains 10% TCA, 10% glycolic, and 5% retinol. It's excellent for improving fine lines and wrinkles to help lift hyperpigmentation, along with helping boost collagen and elastin. All right, so we are going to be performing a double cleanse, and we are going to start with the Mega Purifying Cleanser, which helps dissolve makeup, oils, and any debris that is on the skin. It contains age-defying antioxidants, vitamin E to help combat any dryness. Okay, so after doing a really good cleansing, we are now going to remove the cleanser with sponges using lukewarm water to completely get all the cleanser off her skin. Our second cleansing will be using the Gentle Facial Wash, which contains 10% glycolic acid that helps jumpstart skin cells, promoting the desquamation process, helping the penetration of other treatment products be more effective. It's good for all skin types. Now that we've removed our second cleanser with sponges, we are going to grab a warm towel and place it over the face. Just our simple signature towel application, our steam towel application. All right, now that we are done with the first initial step, which is cleansing, doing the double cleansing on the face, we are going to continue by using the Skin Astringent number 5. It contains 5% salicylic acid, helps clear up acne, kills bacteria, and controls excess oil production. We are using it as a degreaser to remove all oils from the skin right before our chemical peel. Okay, so here you guys can see that I applied the astringent to a cotton round, and I'm simply going through the entire face with it, making sure that we get rid of all oil traces from the skin. Very simple, it is strong, and again, I am using the Skin Astringent number 5. Next, we are going to apply our Cell Protection Balm, which is a barrier repair balm. It's going to act as a shield to our sensitive areas during this peel. So you will see me use a Q-tip to apply directly under the eye, corners of the nose, lips, and just above the eyebrow. Again, these are very sensitive areas, and we want to make sure that we protect them. And I just simply applied a little bit of the balm in the back of my hand. As you guys see, I am wearing gloves, and I am just going over those sensitive areas. Next, I dispense the chemical peel into a small glass dish, as you guys can see on the camera. Then I will grab a 4x4 gauze, and I am just making a small square, getting it ready to saturate it with the peel. Is a self-neutralizing peel, so it means that after it sits for a few minutes, it starts to kind of calm down a little bit, the intensiveness of the peel. So I brought my time clock from home to keep track. I believe I want to do 2 layers. You can do up to 4 layers with this peel, but I feel comfortable doing 2, but then I also want to make sure that she's comfortable. She is going to feel tender, it's going to get hot, it's going to be spicy, and so we have our fans ready, right? To help out. And so since I will be doing 2 layers, I will wait 4 minutes in between to make sure that the first layer is completely absorbed into the skin. Remember that this is a control wound, okay? And so we have everything that we're going to be using afterwards, and of course we have sunscreen. Your client will need to understand that they have to stay away from sun exposure and avoid all outdoor activities. We're going to start, and what you do is and again, Brenda, make sure that your eyes are completely closed. I am going to grab my gauze here, and I am just saturating my gauze. Okay. And this one is a little rough. You want it to be a little rough because that way we get better penetration. Okay. So we usually start on the forehead. So here we go. How are you doing?
So far, so good.
Good. Okay. Okay, notice my passes. I am working quite fast. Okay. Let us know how you feel. I'm starting to feel it.
I'm starting to feel it.
Okay.
But initially, the astringent felt more tingly than this is. It's starting to feel tingly now, but.
Okay. Keep your eyes closed. How are you feeling?
Starting to heat up.
Okay. Starting my timer.
It is a self-neutralized peel that can be applied in layers, doing up to 4 layers at a time, waiting anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes in between each layer. Our plans for this treatment was to do at least 2.
Definitely starting to heat up.
Okay.
Making sure that you are checking your client's comfort level is very important. So make sure that you're always very attentive and that you ask them, as well as providing them with several fans or a fan to making sure it helps with the sensation that they're feeling during the treatment.
How's it feeling?
It's actually feeling like it's tapered off.
Okay, going down. Okay.
Yeah.
One of the biggest reasons why I say it is important to prep your client's skin prior to getting a chemical peel is because you do not want your client to have any type of adverse reaction. Making sure that they are aware of this is very important, that they know what they need to do prior to a peel and after a peel. Making sure that they stay away from the sun, they're using moisturizer, that they're using sunscreen. All of this is very important. Although every client is different, clients usually start to experience some peeling around their mouth around day 3 after treatment. Frosting is the clinical end point of a peel. Do not go over any frosted areas of the face.
So I'm going in with my second layer. All right, and we do the same thing. How are you feeling?
So far, so good. Starting to heat up a little bit.
Okay.
Definitely not for the weak of heart.
Nope. How are you feeling?
It's heating up. It's probably at a 7.
About 1 more minute and we'll start to apply her post products. Again, she will be sensitive to touch, so obviously she's not going to do any kind of exfoliating or anything like that at home. If anything, she just needs to cleanse her face with a gentle facial wash and moisturize, and of course use sunscreen. That's pretty much it. Keeping the skin nicely moisturized is key for sure.
And I have the arnica cream that I can start tomorrow.
Yeah, she can start that one tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the Skin Recovery Mist from Glymed. Here we go. Keep your eyes closed, of course.
The Skin Recovery Mist, it's giving the skin a dose of hydration. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin B. It's perfect for all skin types.
Now we are going to cocktail the Fulvic Elixir and the Living Cell Clarifier together. So what I mean by cocktail is we're mixing.
The fulvic elixir, it's a powerful antioxidant for skin health. It's antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory. It's very easily absorbed into the skin to help target aging, irritation, and acne. The living cell clarifier is another amazing antioxidant filled with natural tyrosinase inhibitors like bearberry, licorice, and mulberry to help reduce melanin production and help brighten the skin. It is also good for all skin types.
Then we're gonna do the ultra hydrogel.
The Ultra Hydrogel is another lightweight formula that also contains 10% hyaluronic acid, and it helps replenish dehydrated and irritated skin. This is really going to feel amazing on her skin and help with the soothing process. It's an amazing, amazing moisturizing hydrator.
Okay. How are you feeling?
It's starting to calm down.
Good. Okay, cool. All right. And lastly, we are going to use the Photo Age Environmental Protection Gel 30, which is her SPF.
Okay, that felt like it just took it down like 2 notches.
The moisturizer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is the sunscreen. Okay. So with the sunscreen, you pat.
Please remember to never send your client away from your treatment room with a freshly exfoliated face without the use of sun protection, and make sure that you explain to them the importance of staying away from the sun, especially after a chemical peel. This concludes the treatment. I had a lot of fun doing this demo for my students and sharing it with you guys. Please make sure that if you are interested in offering chemical peels, that you seek continuing education and that you are aware of all the protocols. Like always, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.